Hey, good morning, everyone. This is another episode of my blog. Today is it's competition day. It's Taste of Cayman. So I'm gonna drive to Cayman Bay, where is the competition held tonight. It started at 7 o'clock, but we have a meeting at 10 o'clock, and then 11 o'clock is a trial. So yeah, so these all ingredients down here. So I'm gonna put this in the igloo box. Okay, put this in the igloo box, blender, and everything. Okay, I see you soon. So now we're traveling to Cayman Bay. I'm still at the resort right now, so I hope I can touch this meeting right now because now it's like a little bit too late. It's 9:30. I just prepared everything, so lots of things to do. All right, let's go. This we're going to Taste of Cayman. See, there's a Wyndham over here representing the Wyndham Resort. I have a meeting ready with the organizer for tonight. They can start at 7 o'clock. There are 12 of us. We'll see. So this is the venue inside. There's a big stage for the live band tonight, and there's fireworks tonight. So everything's here tonight. Yeah. Well, this is not my first time over here. So yeah. This will be ready for tonight. I show you around a little bit, and this what happening is tonight is a Taste of Cayman festival bar over here, and the big stage is gonna be here. They're still doing setup right now. See, look at it. That's the main stage. We have our stage down there. I show you our stage for the competition tonight over here. That one right there. That's one. We're gonna start at 7 o'clock. Wish all the best. I got my gate pass, so I'm good to go. So this is the venue. Oh, hey, the Tuka is down here too. Everybody's down here. See? It's time to go out. Taste of Cayman. Yes, sir. That's it for now.
Here again and try that salt.
Hey.
Now go ahead and let's stack up that quesadilla. It should be colorful. It should have lots of cheese. Give it a good press.
Hey, now we are at the party.
Done? Oh, we're gonna fire it up.
Party over here. So many people down here, right? So this is the main stage down here. That's the gate right there. Rain is coming. Look at this. Oh, that's time. So the people is down here, man. Look at that. Here. See the 360. Everybody. Stage right here. Yeah.
Tony. All right.
Hello.
Do you want to tell us what you made here, Jeff? I'll have coconut coleslaw, mango pepper jelly with a cocoa bread.
Doing ribeye as well. This one's prime grade 30-day dry age. So they gave me the smoked ribeye.
They done you dirty. They done you dirty. All right, 30 days.
I'm going in, Seth.
We're going in. I might have to put the mic down for this one. It's not easy for me. I'm like,
And our first three bartenders tonight. From the Western, Leonardo Terencio. And we also have Constantino Bailotish. I don't have where do you work, sir? At the Wyndham. Aye. And we have a former world-class winner on stage with us tonight, my dear friend Christina Raftis, the Rav. From the Edgy Veg. The Edgy Veg have a stall out there, make sure you check them out. Then, let's do this thing. Let's have some noise.
Okay, Christina, I'm gonna ask you what inspired your cocktail creation for this competition?
7 Fathoms is actually one of the first rums I ever tried on island 14 years ago. It's a rum that I buy for like every time I go home. And one of the ways I first tried it was in a swanky. So what better way to represent Cayman than hibiscus, or we call it sorrel, ginger swanky featuring 7 Fathoms.
Moving on, we're gonna go to Leonardo right now. Leonardo, please tell us the name of your drink.
The name of my drink is patois. It's like the English spoken here in Caribbean, right? Like in Cayman and in Jamaica. So it's inspired to the connection and to like talking in different ways, right? That's it.
Oh my gosh, okay, that is amazing. I think just as like people living in the Cayman Islands, we completely understand the whole melting pot aspect that is every single one of us here tonight. And I'm going to be moving on, and please.
Hi, my name is Constantino, aka Tony actually. I work at the Wyndham Resort. So representing the Wyndham Resort.
So tell me, does your cocktail reflect your personal style in any way? I see a lot happening here.
Yeah, I think so because I use the coconut, the young coconut actually. It's hard to do it, but I try my best to do it actually. Our guests inspired me this drink, so the people surround me, co-workers and everybody, and the 7 Fathoms is helping us to create this drink, so why not, right?
Okay, thank you so much. You have heard it from our first three. I'm gonna hand over to Matt.
Thank you, Natasha. Let's hear it from Oh, here we go. Hey. Let's give it up for the Rav. Amazing. That's very brave up on this hot stage under the lights. Look at her go. The extra mile. Let's give it up for Christina.
Oh my gosh, okay, that sounds fantastic. We have 3 wonderful drinks prepared for the judges, and I cannot wait.
Let's get those drinks down to the judges, got some thirsty looking judges, Since your drinks are ready, please take it down to the judges.
Honey, you can carry those two. Honey, have it.
Okay, we're going to get ready for our next 3 bartenders. As our bartenders make some space. Let's give it up for Leonardo, Constantino, and Christina, our first rounders tonight at the 7 Fathoms Mixologist Competition.
I will start. To leave, I lose the fight tonight, but it's good. Really good fight. So it's not bad. You know, it is what it is. Somehow you lose, somehow you win, right? So yeah. But the judge came to me and said that the dress is good. So that's good things. And again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, The Naked Mixology. I lost the battle tonight, but it's good. It's a good game. You know, can't complain. Again, The Naked Mixology on my IG. Follow me or whatsoever. Better like next time. It's not my night tonight, so it's good. I'm still happy. You know, I'm still happy to represent the Wyndham. So here we go. Look at that. The sounds, the music is still here. Yeah, it's time to leave. It's time to go. Yeah, I'm leaving now. Have a good night. I see you next time.